Hello, everybody. Welcome to our life in the Philippines. So we are preparing to go and do a little trip. So today I'm going to take my motorcycle up and have it looked over a little bit. I need to adjust the chain, the brakes, and look at the clutch and tension, and make sure everything is cool to do. I think it's going to be about 200, 300, maybe 400-kilometer ride. We don't know exactly where we're going to go. That'll be a surprise for everybody. While I'm doing that, I have the laundryman taking care of laundry here. It's actually his own laundry. Yeah, I can't get him to do mine. I don't know. I might have to change tenant. Unless you what?
I still haven't found the Filipina to help you.
Man, yeah, we were gonna do those. What do you call it? The hunt for a Filipina wife or something.
Yeah, that's what we were gonna do.
And,
but then I got a girlfriend, and now I have another girlfriend, but I never get to see them. So.
Yeah, he likes to date girls that
That's 2 jobs.
that has 2 jobs, and then 2 kids or 3 kids. So that's the 3rd job, you know. Berto, you need to change tactics.
Yeah, but hey, they're sweet.
They're sweet, he says. Yeah, well, they are actually. And we're talking plural here. It sounds like he has more than one at the time, but he doesn't. So
they're real sweet. One of the 3 kids, she's a widow. She's a lovely girl.
Yeah.
She's beautiful. The kids are sweet.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, we'll see if we can get her over here sometimes. Do a walk with us, like the other one did.
Yeah, she will. She'll come up.
Yeah. Sometimes they are a little shy.
Yeah.
So anyway, we just noticed something this morning, and I'm going to show it around. We're going to go outside. Everybody here knows we had a volcanic eruption down in, is it called Taal? Taal? No, not in Bataan, in south of Manila, right?
Oh, the volcano is the Taal volcano, and it is in Batangas.
Batangas, down there. And we haven't seen anything, but was it yesterday or the day before?
Rain yesterday.
And this is how the cars are looking today. I'm just going to show you a little bit. You can clearly see that there's, in the raindrops, you have, and when you strike your finger on it, I don't know if you can see it, when you strike your finger on it, it is really, really dark. And you can see the spots here also. A little closer up. So I was surprised to see that today. But anyway, I'm going to take off for the mechanic this morning and hang out with him for a little bit while he works on my bike. Great guy, and we're gonna be able to talk to him a little bit. So come on for the ride. So this video be a little mix of a motovlog and some mechanic work and some chatting about girls, and that's about it. Yeah, that's it. What did you say? Is it
My favorite
subject? Favorite subject? Yeah. I always tell him, take it easy. All right, he's laughing. Okay, guys, let's go for a ride. All right, so I'm taking you through my neighborhood for a little bit, some shortcuts up to MacArthur Highway. The mechanic is 10-15 minutes away from here. It depends on the traffic a little bit, but we're going to take you up there, going for north, on MacArthur, passing Rafael, the hospital, and making a right turn up on Camachilla Street and going down a few kilometers.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really.
All right, just coming up on Camachilis Street, and we're gonna go down this road a little bit. I believe maybe a couple, 3 kilometers, and we're going through. I think it's called Barangay Camachilis, but not 100% sure on that. But they do have a little community here with a few stores and apartments. There is some medical doctor's offices and a few other things. So it's a nice little community. This road actually takes you up to towards the volcano that we always talk about in the middle of Luzon. It's a nice ride.
Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the.
All right, now we're coming up here on Barangay Sapong, I think it is. And this is inside here in this little local community is where my mechanic is located. I've been with him for probably about a year, and he's been really good to me. And here is his place. All right, so I'm here with Brian today, and in preparation for the trip we're going to take here over the next 3-4 days. So I have made you to my private mechanic, right? How long have I been with you? For about a year now? It's almost a year, isn't it? Because I think I was here a couple of times before I left for the United States in June. So it's almost a year. And if you guys have a motorcycle and you need some repair, this is the guy to go to. It's a little out there. What's the barangay here?
Barangay Sapong Biabas.
Sapon Biabas. Yeah. And that's off of Camachilis Road, right? Or what is it called? Camachilis? Right. So we, so it's about I would say about 10-minute ride from Doe, maybe, depending on traffic. Sometimes traffic can be a little bad, but it was all right today. So today we're just doing a little general maintenance, looking over the, I had the chain going low, slack on me, so I had to get that one adjusted. Check the oil and other things. Brian does a good job, so and he's on Facebook, so if you ever need a mechanic, you can contact me and I'll put you in touch with him. There's a lot of guys that are riding. Do you have any other foreigners coming to you? Or?
a while before, when I'm on Yamaha.
Oh, yeah, you worked at Yamaha before?
Yeah. Yeah, 5 kilometers from here.
Right. But now you're
Golden Land.
but now you're doing it on your own. So he pretty much works out of his home. Has a little.
I'm a little bit stressed here. I have a boss.
You have a boss?
Because that's why I resigned.
Yeah.
I'm a little bit stressed when I
Yeah. Well, it's never good to have a boss. I like to be my own boss. But the problem is, you know, we're both married, right? So we still have a boss.
Oh yeah.
The wives can be bossy at times, you know. Who knows? But that's okay. We can live with that. So times we have to do general maintenance. Time to get some grease on the chain. It's a blistering hot day today. But tomorrow we're setting out for a little ride to down south in Bataan. Yeah, I need to order that spring too. You remember the spring we fixed on that? Yeah. You remember it broke? Yeah, but I'm going to order one so we have one in spare in case something happened. It'd probably be hard to fix a second time. So I'm going to order one. It's been running good. I think I have like 2,000 kilometers since I changed the oil. Maybe. Can't remember exactly.
Maybe we just have to
I think it was at 11.7.
range it.
No, 1,200 kilometers.
From the phone, it's brand new, 1200.
Yeah. We had 11,700 when we changed the oil, so we got 1,200 kilometers on the oil. So I think we'll be fine with that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm sure that the rest of oil will be ranged about
Oh yeah,
6,000 kilometers.
yeah. We did put Restore oil. It's like an additive, right?
Yes.
And
But it can prolong
right.
the oil change.
Yeah. Well, the oil is absolutely looking like brand new in it. So
Significant change.
yeah,
You
yeah.
already checked it. It's like brand new.
yeah. Looks good. All right. So he's gonna go for a little spin here. Yeah, Brian is very particular about how he does things, and he makes sure the nuts and bolts. Here he's coming. All right. neutral is a little hard to get in. Huh?
It's normal for other bikes.
Yeah. Alright, we got a little jumper around here.
Like you know what the Suzuki Raider? Like
Right, right.
you should have to
Yeah, you
take
should.
it off first
You,
before
you,
going to
yeah.
change it in
But this one has always been like that. You have to almost shut it down before you can get it in neutral. So, all right. So we're done. Everything done. How much do I owe you? Okay. Sounds good. That's pretty good, guys. 350 pesos. So we're gonna take care of that, and we'll take off.
It's good. So you should be expecting an oil spill for that we lubricate the chain.
Yeah. Yeah, there could be some oil spill.
Oil spill.
From the lubrication. That's okay. We can deal with that. Alright.
Okay.
I'm gonna leave.
This one
Yeah, I'm gonna leave early in the morning.
tomorrow.
Yeah. About 5 o'clock. Get out of.
Be heading in Marites.
Yeah, and I like to get out of Andoer and San Fernando before rush hour. So we leave at 5. Yeah, yeah, 7, 8, 9 is the worst time to get out. Plus, the sun is not hot. All right, that's it. So let's take off. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again.